Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning. Sundays are for relaxing, and Sundays are for a delicious breakfast. Today, we are going to cook together. Welcome to my kitchen. First, we need to prepare. To cook, we need ingredients. Ingredients are the food items we use. I open the fridge, I take out the eggs, I take out the milk, and I take out the butter. From the pantry, I take the flour and the sugar. We also need utensils. Utensils are the tools for cooking. I need a big bowl. I need a whisk. A whisk is for mixing, and I need a frying pan. A frying pan is flat and round. I put the pan on the stove. The stove is the machine that gets hot. Before we start, I must do one thing. I must put on my apron. An apron protects my clothes. My apron is yellow. It has pockets. Now I look like a chef. Are you ready to cook? Today we are making pancakes. Pancakes are fluffy and sweet. They are perfect for Sunday. First, we make the batter. Batter is the liquid mix. I take the bowl. I add 1 cup of flour. I add 2 spoons of sugar. I add a pinch of salt. Now, the wet ingredients. I need to crack the eggs. Repeat after me. Crack. I hit the egg on the side of the bowl. Crack. I open it. Plop. The egg goes into the flour. I hope there are no shells. Then I pour the milk. Glug, glug, glug. And I add some melted butter. Now comes the fun part. I take my whisk and I mix. I mix round and round. I mix fast. My arm is tired, but I must mix until it is smooth. Smooth means no lumps. Now the batter is ready. Now we move to the stove. Be careful, the stove is hot. I turn on the heat. Click, whoosh. I put a little bit of butter in the pan. The butter melts. Sizzle. It smells good already. I take a ladle. A ladle is a big spoon for soup or batter. I scoop the batter and I pour it into the hot pan. It makes a perfect circle. Now I wait. How do I know when to turn it? Look at the pancake. Do you see the little bubbles? When you see bubbles, it is time to flip. I take my spatula. I slide it under the pancake. 1, 2, 3, flip! Wow! Perfect! It is golden brown. I cook the other side for 1 minute. Then I take it out of the pan. I put it on a plate. I make 1, 2, 3 pancakes. I have a stack of pancakes. A stack means a pile. Breakfast is not finished without a drink. I like coffee, but my friend likes tea. So let's make both. For the tea, I need a kettle. I boil the water. I choose a tea bag. Today, it is Earl Grey tea. I put the tea bag in a cup. I pour the hot water. Steam rises up. I let it steep. To steep means to wait for the tea to become strong. For the coffee, I use a machine. I press a button, whir buzz. The coffee comes out. It is dark and strong. I add a little bit of sugar and I stir it with a teaspoon. Clink, clink. Now we have food and we have drinks. The kitchen is very warm. It is a happy place. Cooking is an act of love. Do you agree? Finally, it is time to eat. Let's set the table. I put down a placemat. I put the plate in the middle. The fork goes on the left. The knife goes on the right. This is proper etiquette. I bring the stack of pancakes, but wait, they're missing something. Syrup. Maple syrup. I pour the syrup over the pancakes. It is sticky and sweet. It drips down the sides. Yum! I sit down. I take my knife and fork. I cut a piece. I put it in my mouth. It is delicious. It is sweet, fluffy, and warm. This is the perfect Sunday breakfast. Thank you for cooking with me. I hope you are hungry now. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you like pancakes or do you prefer eggs? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget the vocabulary. Whisk, pan, stove, flip, ingredients. Practice these words in your kitchen. Please like the video and subscribe. Have a delicious day. Bye-bye.